If you want to disable push notifications in X.com or Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Turning off push notifications can help reduce distractions, save battery life, and keep your phone a little more focused throughout the day. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X.com or Twitter and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left-hand navigation bar, click More. This is where you'll find additional account and app settings that are not shown in the main menu. From the list that appears, click Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can manage your account preferences, privacy controls, and notification settings all in one place. Next, click Notifications. Here you'll see all the ways X.com can send you alerts, including email, in-app alerts, and mobile push notifications. Now click Preferences. This area lets you fine-tune the types of notifications you want to receive and how they appear on your device. After that, click Push Notifications. This is the section specifically for notifications that pop up on your phone or mobile device. Finally, toggle off push notifications. Once you switch that setting off, X.com will stop sending push alerts to your device. That means no more pop-up notifications interrupting you while you work, browse, or scroll. And that's it. You've successfully disabled push notifications in X.com or Twitter. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy app and software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.